If you've ever used AI to write content but worried about it sounding robotic, getting flagged by AI detectors, or even struggling with plagiarism issues, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. The tool I'm talking about is called Tenorshare AI Bypass, and it's designed to transform AI-generated content into natural, human-like writing that can pass AI detection with ease. So let's start with the basics. Imagine you're working on an essay, an article, or even a report. Maybe you use ChatGPT or another AI tool to help you draft something, but when you run it through detectors like Turnitin, Winston AI, ZeroGPT, or Originality.AI, it gets flagged as AI written. That can be a huge problem, especially for students and professionals where originality really matters. This is exactly where Tenorshare AI Bypass comes in. It takes that AI-generated text and rewrites it in a way that sounds authentic, natural, and most importantly, indistinguishable from something a human would write. It even adjusts tone and mode so that the text doesn't just sound different, it sounds appropriate for your audience and context. Let me quickly show you how it works. Here I am on the official website, and as you can see, there's so many AI tools you can use for several different scenarios. We have the AI Bypass tool that can humanize AI content, as well as detect if a text is written by AI or not. There's an AI writer to assist with several different styles of writing. There's also an AI chat PDF for interacting with PDF documents, an AI slides generator, as well as AI image detector. My focus is going to be on the AI Bypass tool. As you can see on the interface, this is the field where you provide the text you want to rewrite, and the field on the right is where you see the result. Make sure that the mode is set to Ultra Enhanced, and then choose a tone. For me, I prefer to keep it as standard. I'm going to test the original text before humanizing the AI-generated text, as well as the results of the AI humanized text on some popular AI detection models like ZeroGPT, Winston AI, and Originality.AI. I think these would be enough. Now, I'm going to head over to ChatGPT and generate some passages. I'm going to ask the GPT to write me a 200-word passage on AI developments shaping the world of cryptocurrency. This is the first passage. I'm going to have the AI write me the second passage, and it's a 300-word essay on the future of white-collar jobs in 2035. I'm going to copy the first passage and head over to ZeroGPT and test it for AI. As you can see here, the AI returned a score of 100%, showing that the text is completely AI or GPT generated. I'm also going to test this text on Winston AI. I'm going to paste the passage and scan the text for AI. The results are up, and you can see that it had a 0% human score, meaning that it was written completely by an AI model. This is where Tenorshare AI Bypass is going to come in. In this text field on the right, I'm going to paste in the text, and when I scan for AI, it shows that there might only be a 30% chance that it was written by a human. I'm going to click on Humanize, and within a few seconds, this is our humanized version. I'm going to copy the text and head back to the AI detectors. Starting off with Winston AI, I'm going to scan the new text for AI-generated content, and as you can see, the score came out as a perfect 100, meaning that the content completely passes as authentic, human-written content. I'm going to also test the text on ZeroGPT. The previous score was 100% AI, and when I paste in the new humanized version and scan, it now shows 0% GPT. This indicates that the text passed as human-written content with zero trace of AI. Just for more tests, I'm going to head back to ChatGPT and copy the second passage. Following the same steps as previously, I'm going to test this text with ZeroGPT, and as you can see, the score is unsurprisingly 100% AI, which doesn't look good. Heading over to Winston AI to test the passage, I get a 0% human score. This means that the text failed both tests completely. This is what you get when you use text from AI writers without rewriting it. Now, I'm going to head back to Tenorshare AI Bypass, paste in the ChatGPT passage, and click to humanize. The humanized version is ready within a few seconds. Now I'm going to copy the text, head back to the AI detectors to test it. Starting off with Winston AI. After testing, you can see that it scored a perfect 99% human, which was the lowest score I got in all my tests, by the way. Testing this on ZeroGPT, where I previously got 100% GPT score, I now have a score of 0% GPT, which indicates that the text is 100% human-written content. One notable point here is that I did not have to regenerate the humanized output on Tenorshare AI Bypass, even though you can do that. The first output always passed the test without any issues. As I stated earlier, Tenorshare AI Bypass doesn't just transform content blindly, it also has a built-in AI detector, so you can check if something was likely written by an AI in the first place. That makes it a two-in-one tool, both protecting you from detection and helping you understand the quality of your content before you even submit or publish it. Now, let's talk about something really exciting: the back-to-school promotion that's going on right now. If you head over to the official Tenorshare AI Bypass website, you'll see that they're offering up to 70% off, plus a free trial for new users. That means you can test it out yourself without any risk. On top of that, if you look at the pricing page, you'll see that the unlimited annual plan is now as low as just $11.99 per month, which is a fantastic deal for something that can save you so much time and stress. And don't forget to apply this coupon code here at checkout to make sure you get the full discount. Another cool thing is that Tenorshare AI is active on Twitter, and right now they're running a giveaway. So if you want an extra chance to score something free while staying updated on their latest tools and promotions, definitely give them a follow. Overall, I think Tenorshare AI Bypass is one of those rare tools that actually solves a real problem in a practical way. If you're a student worried about Turnitin, a content creator aiming to publish more natural-sounding articles, or just someone who wants to make sure their AI-assisted writing passes as original, this software is definitely worth checking out. It's simple to use, affordable with the current discount, and genuinely effective at what it promises. So if you want to try it for yourself, I've left a link down in the description, and I've also pinned it in the comments for easy access. Don't miss out on the back-to-school deal, because it won't be around forever. Go ahead and give Tenorshare AI Bypass a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.